Hey, I'm Nadine. I'm a travel vlogger, and for the past 10 years, I've been traveling the world and sharing my experiences right here on YouTube. After traveling to over 55 countries and having my fair share of ups and downs, I've learned a lot about travel, ways to make trips more enjoyable, and rookie mistakes to avoid. I use all this information to make videos about travel tips and advice, packing hacks, as well as destination videos to inspire others to chase their own dreams of traveling the world. I love connecting with fellow travelers, sharing cool stories, and showcasing destinations. So if you want to learn how to travel smarter and save money, or you just want to see the world from the comfort of your own home, then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next adventure.